it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today, we're going to make a pasta salad for one because single people like to have a nice pasta salad, and sometimes we make too much and then we end up wasting it. So, we're just going to make it for one, and it's going to carry us through a couple of meals. Now, this is going to be a dinner pasta salad, which means that we have a nice protein source in there. So it's going to be a complete meal for one person. In my bowl, I've got one diced carrot, one diced piece of celery, and a diced purple onion. And it's just, maybe a quarter of the onion. Okay, now I have a few assorted cherry tomatoes or smaller tomatoes that I got at Aldi. So I've sliced those in half, and we're going to add those to our other vegetables. Now this is something a little bit different. I'm going to put a little kosher salt on them. I'm going to put some garlic powder on them. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on them. Why, you may ask, am I doing this? Because I would like to sweat out the vegetables, and this causes the juices to be released in the tomatoes, and it makes them extra good. I'm not kidding on this. They are good. So I'm going to let those set a minute while I prepare the other ingredients. Okay, I cut some olives in half, so I'm going to add those in as well. The tomatoes and onions have started to sweat out some of their juices, which is good. These are just olives from Aldi. If you don't like any of these ingredients, don't put them in. This is not a recipe. It is a method. Okay? The purpose is to make a nice pasta salad for one person, possibly two. Now, I have some rotini pasta that I cooked up a while back. This bag has been in the freezer. I only cooked up 2 portions. I used the other portion for another meal. So I took this out, thawed it out, and we're going to mix it up with our vegetables. This is going to be an Italian pasta salad with chicken because I am going to use some Italian dressing. Now I've got some chicken. This is just a partial chicken breast. There's probably, I don't know, a few ounces. I didn't really weigh it, but I actually cooked this in the microwave with some seasoning. There's Italian seasoning, parsley, garlic, onion powder, and salt and pepper. So we're going to add that to our pasta salad because this pasta salad is going to be a full meal, which is pretty nice, I think. Now I'm going to add the dressing. This is just Italian dressing from Aldi. And sometimes we can get carried away on the dressing, and then we end up with the pasta salad is eaten and we have a lot of dressing left in the bottom of the bowl. We don't want to do that today. So there's 4 tablespoons, which is the equivalent of a 1/4 cup of dressing. And that's going to be plenty because as the pasta salad sits, it's going to release the juices from the vegetables that are in there. Now, if you want to make a nice pasta salad, whether you make it a full meal or just a side dish, put in it whatever you like. This pasta is one serving of pasta, but as you can see, with everything else in there, it makes a lot, and I am going to be able to eat this at least 2 times for sure. I've got this container and with a snug lid, and this is what I'm going to put the pasta salad in. Okie doke, here's our pasta salad in the container and ready to go in the refrigerator. Now, if this is going to make 2 healthy servings for me, that is for sure. And I know this is absolutely going to taste delicious. Now, if that's not enough dressing for you, put some more on. You do what you like the best. Okay? All right. That's it for me today. Just a nice pasta salad for 1 person or 2 people. This could serve 2 people in 1 meal, or 2 meals for 1 person. Okay? All right, and if you're going to feed 2, you can use it as a side, which would be delicious. This would also be really, really good to pack in your lunch. You could make it the day before, and you could have a couple of meals for lunch, and it would pack very well. All right, I love you guys. That's it for me today. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. You guys take care. Please like, subscribe, and share, because it would help me and it sure might help somebody else. And look, don't get discouraged. You can eat healthy. You can eat really, really well. And just know that all is well. Okay? It really is. All right. I love ya. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.